Nubia Red Magic has already teased the Red Magic 6 gaming smartphone. The device, as per the company's statement at Snapdragon Summit, we can expect at least 2 devices in Red Magic 6 series. Ahead of the imminent launch, an alleged live image of the device has appeared online. First and foremost is the Tencent Games tagline on it, suggesting a Tencent Games edition of the Red Magic 6. To affirm this, Nubia GM Ni Fei has posted a picture of the Tencent building as Shenzhen, teasing the collab more. Next is the horizontally stacked cameras. We aren't sure if it's a quad camera layout, as only 3 sensors are visible in the image. ZTE's Nubia is all set to launch its next generation of gaming smartphone known as Red Magic 6 5G in China pretty soon. The company has shared some posters of the upcoming smartphone that reveals some key specification and features. However, Nubia is yet to officially announce the launch date of the upcoming gaming smartphone. That said, the successor of Red Magic 5S has been subjected to various leaks in the past. Ample details about the phone's features. Now we have spotted the smartphone on 3C verification website, which confirms its fast charging capabilities. Let's take a closer look at the Nubia Red Magic 6 5G 3C certification and see what it unfolds. So as you can see in the 3C certification image, the Red Magic 6 will come with model number NX669J. The upcoming handset will come with 66 watt fast charging support. For your reference, the phone is said to come with 120 watts fast charging support. That said, it is impossible that the handset might come with 66 watt fast charger inside the box, and users might need to purchase the 120 watt separately. Furthermore, the 3C listing also reveals that the Nubia Red Magic 6 will be a 5G smartphone. Interestingly, known tipster Digital Chat said that the upcoming gaming smartphone from Nubia comes with a 120 watt fast charging solution. Furthermore, the brand recently posted a new teaser on Weibo that reveals it will come with 120 watt fast charging support. The phone is confirmed to be juiced up by 4500 mAh battery. The handset will come with gallium nitride fast charger. This means we can expect the battery to refill from 0 to 100% within a few minutes. A leaked teaser video revealed that the Red Magic 6 would come with an electrochromic back panel. Digital Chat station had previously tipped that the Red Magic 6 would come with full HD plus display with a probable 144Hz refresh rate. The device will also come with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 SoC under the hood. That said, this is all the information we have on the Red Magic 6 5G. However, we are certain that we will come across some new information in the upcoming days. So we suggest you to stay tuned with us for more details on the upcoming gaming smartphone from Nubia. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed a lot. If you do, please do considering subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.